Guys, good morning, good morning. Bago tayo mag-start ng duty, gawin muna natin yung ating maintenance exercise. Pero yung dalawa lang muna, yung squat at saka push up. Okay, so let's go. Ayan guys, so na-comply na natin yung ating dalawang maintenance exercise. Isa na lang yung balance natin, yung ating plank exercise na lang. Okay, so yun lang muna. At as usual, stay healthy, keep safe, at tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. Ayan, muli pagpalang umaga sa ating lahat, and see you sa susunod na mga videos natin.